How to do if your iPhone is locked because of lost or forgotten password, or got smashed, dropped into water, damaged, or even broken? Have you ever met the problem about losing your data on your phone suddenly? How to recover lost photos, text messages, voicemails, deleted contacts, and so much more from a damaged phone? Soft iPhone Data Recovery may be the solution for you. Go ahead and download the program from the product page. Soft iPhone Data Recovery provides you 3 recovery modes for you to retrieve lost or deleted files on your iPhone/iPad/iPod Touch. You can recover from iOS device, recover from iTunes backup files, or recover from iCloud backup files. Connect your iPhone, iPad or iPod Touch with computer via USB cable. After your device is detected, click Start Scan and the scanning process will start. Choose Photos, Messages and Contacts and click the Recover button. The checked files will be exported and saved in your computer. Okay, that is it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed.